Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Asma Saleh.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Turkey.
And how long have you been in the UK?
I have been studying in the UK from last 5 years.
Right. So, what was your past qualifications?
I did my degree in biomedical science from King's College London. After finishing my degree, I realized that I do not have much of a practical laboratory experience. That's when I planned to join Labmedexpert. Over here, I learned a lot about different histological procedures and techniques. I learned how to use a microtome. I learned how to do embedding and microscopy, QC, just to name a few.
How do you hear about Labmedexpert?
I heard about Labmedexpert through different platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed. Some of my friends who did this training course also recommended me, so yeah, there are different sources.
Right. So, what's your experience so far?
My experience so far has been perfect. I'm very satisfied with the way the trainers delivered this course, and I feel I am confident to do the job.
Right. So, what are your advice to other science students who doesn't have experience in the UK in histology?
People who are looking for laboratory experience specifically within histology and biochemistry, I highly recommend them to join Labmedexpert. It will give them that hands-on experience that they really need to thrive as a biomedical scientist in the UK.
Thank you.